Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Steam QR code. The very first thing we need to do is enable SteamGuard. Now how do we do that? It's really simple. Just go to your Steam account, click on your email or username at the top right, and then select Account Details. Once you're there, you'll see different sections like Store Purchases, Contact Info, and Account Security. Look for Manage SteamGuard and click on it. Now, SteamGuard helps protect your account when you log in, and it's also where you'll find the QR code. So, once you're in the SteamGuard settings, you'll see an option that says, Get SteamGuard code from the Steam app on my phone. This means you need to have the Steam mobile app installed, because the SteamGuard mobile authenticator is the best way to secure your account. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Steam app on your smartphone. Once you've installed the app, open it and set up the SteamGuard mobile authenticator. Now go back to the Manage SteamGuard section on your Steam account. Here, you'll see an option to get your SteamGuard code via email, which means that whenever you log in from a new computer or browser, Steam will send a verification code to your email. If you want extra security, you can enable both the email verification and the mobile authenticator. This way, your account stays fully protected. You'll also see an option to turn off SteamGuard, but it's not recommended. Keeping SteamGuard enabled ensures your account stays secure. Once you've set everything up, your SteamGuard will be active. And now when you try to log in on a new device, you'll get a QR code. Simply scan it with the Steam mobile app, and you'll be logged in instantly. This is the safest and easiest way to access your Steam account, without manually entering verification codes every time. And that's it. That's how you can find your Steam QR code and enable SteamGuard for extra security. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.